Deep in the heart of the Martian desert, a NASA rover makes an incredible discovery. A discovery that could change how we think about life on other planets. Scientists were shocked to find a gemstone on the surface of Mars. But this isn't just any ordinary gemstone, it's a rare mineral called Peridot. The discovery of Peridot, a mineral formed in the presence of water, is a major breakthrough in our search for life on Mars. But it's just the beginning. The search for evidence of past or present life on Mars continues, and with each new discovery, we are one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Scientists believe that the Peridot may have formed in a volcanic environment, possibly when water was on the planet. This discovery adds to the growing evidence that Mars may have had conditions suitable for life. As the rover continues to explore the mysterious planet, we can only wonder what other secrets Mars may hold. Only time will tell if we find evidence of past or even current life on Mars. The rover is equipped with cutting-edge technology that allows it to search for signs of subsurface water and microbial life. With each passing day, we are getting closer to unlocking the secrets of Mars. The rover's soil samples are analyzed in a state-of-the-art lab on Earth, where scientists are searching for organic molecules, the building blocks of life, that could indicate past or present microbial life on Mars. With the discovery of Peridot and the potential for water and life on Mars, the future of space exploration looks brighter than ever. NASA and other space agencies around the world are planning future missions to Mars, including manned missions, that will further our understanding of the Red Planet and pave the way for human colonization. This is a discovery that will go down in history as a turning point in our understanding of the universe. The search for life on Mars continues, and with each new discovery, we are one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos and the possibilities for humanity's future among the stars. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And you can watch another one of our videos by clicking the card on your screen.